It starts with me burning the rope with a candle. When it's burned, it releases the spring, which pushes the metal piece and the bouncy ball in front of it down this road. After the road, the ball goes down a short ramp and falls to the ground. It then bounces off the floor into a funnel. The type of energy transformation happening here is elastic potential energy to kinetic energy. It's initiated by the ball falling to the ground from the ramp. So as the ball hits the ground, it transfers its kinetic energy into elastic potential. This elastic potential energy that the ball has now causes it to bounce back up, transforming its elastic potential energy back to kinetic energy. It initiates the next step by falling into a funnel. The funnel is connected to a tube which is on top of two wires. These two wires are connected to the speaker, so when the ball falls down, it sits right on top of the wires, which acts like a switch for the speaker and turns it on. The speaker plays a song, causing the stick in the tube to move forward. It then hits the first domino, and dominoes start to fall. At the end of the dominoes, there's a lever which acts as a barrier for the marbles on the other side. So when the last domino falls, it falls onto the lever, causing the other side to go up and lets go of the marbles down an inclined plane. The type of energy transformation happening here is gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy. It's initiated by the last domino falling onto the other side of the lever, moving the barrier in front of the marbles up. Once the barrier is up, the stored gravitational potential energy will cause the marbles to go down the inclined plane, transforming it to kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of the marbles will initiate the next step by falling into a plastic cup through a tube. The plastic cup is filled with water. When the marbles fall into the water, they displace the water and it starts flowing through the straw into a bucket. My final step will be to make tea, as I will make steps where the water will boil and the tea bag will catapult into a mug. So at the end of my Rube Goldberg, hot tea will be ready.